Hello, in this video I plan to show you how I made a wireless remote control of lights and fan using the 4-channel 433 MHz receiver and transmitter set purchased from Banggood. I am not giving you the link for it. You can search for 4-channel 12-volt wireless remote. It's available at Amazon India also, though at double the price. This unit consists of 4-button transmitter remote and a receiver PCB. This receiver PCB needs to be installed inside the switchboard along with the required 12 volts power supply PCB. I have been using it since 1 year. It works reliably. The switchboard needs space to install two PCBs. One is the receiver with relays and one is 12 volts power supply. As the main PCB here is 3 into 2 into 1 inches in dimension roughly, the switchboard should have enough space, that is minimum 6 inches width, 3 inches height and 2 inches depth. Otherwise it is not possible to probably install this PCB inside the switchboard. As said earlier, this PCB needs 12 volts DC power supply. So I placed a 12 volt power supply PCB also inside the switchboard. I purchased a local 12 volts 1 amp power adapter. I discarded the casing and wiring etc. I used only the power supply PCB from this. You might have observed in the picture that I have not used any insulation on top of the PCBs. You may please do so. Anyway, please keep in mind the shock hazard while working on it. You are working with 230 volts mains. Our design target or our aim while making these connections should be: firstly, the switch should work normally even if something goes wrong with the receiver PCB. You see, because of our experimentation, our family members should not suffer. Secondly, we want to control the lights or fans or whatever through the buttons of the remote, whether the switch is in up position or in down position. To do this, we need to use two-way switches in place of the one-way switches normally used in the switchboard. Technically, one-way switch is SPST and two-way switch is SPDT. So, we need to understand what is this SPST and SPDT and how to use this to make our connections. You can see the diagram here. SPST switch is called one-way switch and SPDT switch is two-way switch. You can see how diagrammatically SPST and SPDT are represented and also how relay is represented. Then you can see how we make normal connections with live and neutral and one switch, how we control the tube light or fan. In the fan circuit given, the R represents the regulator for the fan. It is in series with the fan. Mechanical switches have up or down position. Relay has two contacts, normally connected and normally open. The middle lever arm is called pole. In this picture, you can see how a two-way switch and relay are used to implement the control of the lights or fan. Different positions of the switch and relay combinations are shown here. This is how we plan to implement the final control of the lights. Now let us see how to ensure our buttons on the remote are working properly. We need to see how to reset the receiver PCB and then teach it the particular remote we want to use it with.
Power is off. Now green LED is on. Now power is on. Green LED is on, normally connected. Now I am going to use the remote. A. Press A again. Toggle. Okay. Now I held it, pressed till the light came up. Now I am checking. See, now it is in the earlier state. Now it is all reset. Now let me power off and see what's happening. See, now it is not working. Now it is not working. Now I'll press this once, this key. Then press the A key. You can see the blinking. Now if I operate, it will toggle again. That's all.
This is a picture showing you how to recognize the different connections on the receiver PCB. You need to know to make proper connections, which is relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, relay 4, or which relay gets activated when you press the 4 buttons on the remote. The next picture shows you the actual final connections. The connection is shown only for one of the switches. The other connections are similar. So you connect the normally connected contact of the relay to the bottom portion of the switch, and then to the upper portion of the switch you connect the normally open contact of the relay. Then the relay pole is connected to the load. The switch middle point is connected to the live wire. I am assuming here that the light or tube or whatever is normally on when the switch is down. That's all as far as the circuitry is concerned. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for listening to me or watching this video. Please make sure you follow safety precautions as you are working with high voltage mains AC. This system can be used to control many other items, not just limited to lights or fans. You can control anything that can be controlled with the relay contacts. Even though they say relay contacts can handle 10 amps at 230 volts, don't use this for heavy loads like refrigerator, heating coils, heavy motor loads, or room air conditioners, because irrespective of the claim, I don't think the track or the contacts will be able to bear that much current. So try to limit your usage to devices that draw less than 5 amps current. Thank you very much.